All right, so we're doing a little bit of tool maintenance. Now look, here's a pair of pliers, and before I started on them, they didn't open and close at all. Now look at them. When you let go, pop, it opens right up because of the spring, but it didn't open or close before at all. Now, I've been working on this one for a while, and when I started on it, it was frozen just like this. And you couldn't close it tight. Now I can close it tight, and I can spread it open wider, but it's still, boy, it really resists any kind of movement. And this is because lubrication has failed in here, and it started to rust. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying it. I've got a little jar here, and it captures, and I've got WD-40 for its penetrating and lubricating properties. And now you see, as I open and close it, I have to force it open and force it closed. And hopefully that's working some of that lubricant inside the pliers. I've got a rag down on the table so that I don't pollute the place. And it's starting to work in a little bit, I can tell. Now I'm going to leave it in that position.
Really good idea to wear a mask, huh?
Yeah, you should probably protect yourself. Do you see how much nicer that's popping open and closed? In fact, look at that. It's now opening and closing. So look at that. Before, it wouldn't open or close at all, and now look at it. It's just, the spring just pops it right open, just like I want it to. Now this one was a little tight, but I've sprayed it, and it feels just fine. These are breakers. They're not Grozer breakers, they're breakers. See, they have a sharp jaw on either side. And so maybe what I'll do now is give a shot of the...
You don't have much.
This one needs some.
Wrap it up.
Okay, that's it for now.